Mindful eating practice. Welcome to our tutorial on mindful eating practice. Mindful eating is an approach that involves paying full attention to the experience of eating and drinking, both inside and outside the body. Let's dive right in. First, let's understand why it's important. When we eat mindfully, we listen to our body's cues about hunger and fullness. We become attuned to what our bodies need, which helps us make healthier choices and feel more satisfied. Begin by preparing your meal. Instead of rushing, take time to cook, setting the table, and making your dining area pleasant. Consider this as part of your mindful eating practice. The process starts here. Now, sit down at the table. Turn off distractions like the TV or your phone. This moment is about being present with your food, so make it your sole focus. Be here, in the now. Appreciate your food. Look at it, smell it, and think about its journey from the earth to your plate. Gratitude enhances the experience of eating and increases our mindfulness. Take a bite. Chew slowly, savoring the taste and texture. Notice the flavors as they unfold. This isn't just about enjoying your food, but about soaking in the experience of eating. Pay attention to your body's signals. Are you still hungry, or are you starting to feel full? Mindful eating is about listening to your body, not finishing everything on your plate out of habit. Put your fork down between bites. This helps slow down the pace of your meal, giving your body time to register fullness and your mind time to savor the food. Acknowledge your feelings without judgment. If you're used to eating with distractions, sitting quietly with your food might feel strange at first. That's okay. Mindful eating is a practice, and it gets easier over time. Don't rush through your meal. Take time to enjoy each bite, each moment. Remember, this isn't just about eating, it's about experiencing your food, your body, and the present moment in a deeper way. After you finish eating, take a moment to appreciate the meal you just had. Reflect on the experience of eating mindfully, and make a mental note of anything you noticed or learned. That's it. Remember, like any skill, mindful eating takes time to master. Don't be hard on yourself if you struggle at first. Keep practicing, and you'll start to see the benefits in no time.